So a lot of people have asked if you can put heat transfer vinyl on textured plastic products. So I found this little coin purse in my stash, and I'm going to apply heat transfer vinyl to it and just see what happens if we get any damage to the little coin purse at all. I'm using printed heat transfer vinyl from Printcess Puddin. This is the one where you don't mirror and you use a carrier sheet to apply it to your item. I'm also using the Cricut mini press, which I've got set at the highest setting, and these little machines are fantastic for if you don't want to get out your big machine, you're just doing little projects. Absolutely perfect. I'm also using the silicone paper from Artistry. I find that the silicone paper gives you a much better finish than the baking paper, but baking paper will do the job as well if that's what you've got. So I'm applying it, making sure that the zipper tab is over the edge so that it doesn't cause any damage to the heat press. Pressing it on nice and firmly, keeping it on there so I can get a good bond, peeling off. Now remember to save that carrier sheet because you can use it again. I'm pressing it again and you can see I've got a nice finish there. It's taken on the texture, it's a good bond, and there's no damage to the inside.